Welcome back with another new video. In this video, we're going to talk about the Fowlpox disease in chickens, symptoms, and its treatment. So, the Fowlpox disease can be seen in any chickens and any time throughout the year, but mostly this disease spreads in chickens during the summer days. Due to this disease, mortality can be 1 to 5% on the farm. If seen in comparison to other diseases, mortality is seen very rarely in this disease, but the loss in it is very high. For an example, if your chickens get affected by Fowlpox disease, then the weight of the chickens will decrease a lot. Apart from that, if your hen is on the egg-laying period, then you may also see decrease in egg production. Now, if we talk about the symptoms of this disease, then first of all, this is a viral infection. So if it spreads in one chicken, then it can also affect other chickens. So its symptoms. The first symptom appears on the featherless area. It means wherever there are no feathers in the body of the chicken, you will see boils appears on that particular areas. Also, wounds will be seen in the area, around the face, legs, and in the eyelids. And if you want that this disease does not come in your chickens or on the farm, then for that, you will have to administer the Fowlpox vaccine to your chickens on time. So the first Fowlpox vaccine is administered around 35 to 40 days. So you must administer this vaccine to your chickens. Now, let's talk about how you will cure this disease if it has come to your farm. So first of all, the chickens that are seen sick, all those chickens are to be kept separate from the rest of the chickens. Now friends, if we talk about which medicine you have to use, then you have to use 3 medicines. First of all, any antibiotic, in which you can use tetracycline hydrochloride. Second, any good immune booster, which is used in chickens. And thirdly, you have to use a syrup, which comes with the name of Flexon, and it is a combination of ibuprofen and paracetamol. So in this combination, you have to use whichever brand of syrup you get. And the Flexon syrup is mostly used in children, so you can use it in your chickens as well. Now friends, if we talk about how to use all these medicines, then first of all, you have to take 3 to 4 grams of the antibiotic, tetracycline hydrochloride, and have to mix it in 2 liters of water. You have to give that medicine mixed water to your chickens to drink. Along with this, you have to take Flexon syrup, 2.5 milliliters per 15 kilogram of body weight. Calculate the body weight of your total chickens and then mix the medicine in water accordingly. Mix both these medicines well in water and leave it overnight for the chickens to drink. Along with this, you also have to give the immune booster in water during morning time. You have to keep using these 3 medicines continuously for 3 to 5 days. If your chickens become healthy or recovered properly in 3 days, then there is no need to use it further. Or if not, then you have to use it for 2 more days. So, whatever medicine was told to you, whenever your chickens fall sick or get affected by Fowlpox disease, you have to give these medicines to all the chickens, not just the affected ones, because it is a viral infection and can easily spread from one to another very fast. Now friends, those hens which have boils on their face or in different parts of the body, you have to separate those chickens. Add salt to lukewarm water and clean that area properly with the help of cotton. After that, mix both turmeric and coconut oil well and apply it on all those areas. You have to do this twice a day, and you have to keep applying it until the wound heals properly. So, if you treat chickens suffering from Fowlpox in this way, then your chicken will get well very quickly. So that was today's small video. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, then hit the like button, comment on it, and share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, then subscribe and also press the bell icon. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.